What's up, travelheads? Brian from LifeOfBD, and today we're going to check out what people call the best vegan donut shop in the Bay Area, and it's located in Oakland, California. So let's go get it. Vegan Donut Gelato, just a block from the lake. If you're from the Bay Area and a vegan or vegetarian, I'm sure you already heard about this place. With a colorful selection, there was a lot of choices to choose from. I picked up half a dozen donuts to taste test. Can I get a matcha chocolate one?
This chocolate here?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's made of flour, yeast, vegan lecithin. The most popular one is apple fritter, and then bear claw, and then blueberry, and also glazed donut.
Now let's head to a park that's walking distance. So we got our vegan donuts right here, and I'm pretty stoked to try them out. You know, I've always drove by this place whenever I'm hitting the gym, and I've always been curious of it. I've never gotten my vegan donuts, but today is the day I come here and I try it out. I've never had vegan donut myself, so I'm curious of how it tastes. I'm curious if it tastes just like regular donuts. And right here I got the regular chocolate, I got sprinkled chocolate, I got their old-fashioned with blueberry, matcha donut, and a cookie cream donut. We're only going to try a few of these. Start off with their famous blueberry old-fashioned. Grab a whole piece here. Wow, this old-fashioned glaze is really good. You can taste the blueberry, you can taste the glaze, and you know, old-fashioned glaze being my favorite, this is pretty darn good. This is something I'll get again. And some of you guys who know me personally know that I love my matcha, and I'm so stoked I got my matcha donut right here. I don't think I've ever had a matcha donut before, so gotta try this one out. Gotta try it with the glaze. Wow, the matcha glaze, it melts in your mouth. I'm super surprised of it. It's actually pretty dense for a vegan donut. You know, to be honest, I expected vegan donut to be more of a hollow donut, but surprisingly, it's very dense and it's really good. Disclaimer, matcha donut and mochi donuts are not the same. That's why I say I never had a matcha donut. And now we're gonna try this one, which is the cookie and cream vegan donut also. It's actually gonna be the last one I try. It's actually becoming very heavy in my stomach. It has white cream glaze in this with Oreo topping all over it. Try it out. Wow. Just like the other ones, you just taste the Oreo right away, and the glaze in it melts in your mouth. I'm super surprised of how these donuts, their glaze is melting in your mouth right away. And super surprised how dense the donut is. It's really good, the donuts. I now understand why this is ranked as like the best Bay Area vegan donut. It tastes like regular donut, but better. And if you stay till the end, I also got these guys. I always get little donut holes. These are glazed ones, the ones I always get whenever I'm at a donut shop. Glazed donut holes, my favorite. This is dense also. Normally glazed donut holes are not that dense. It's very filling, and once again, you can taste the glaze in it. That's about it for this video, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And next week's video, until then, travel heads,